SizeTwin. Included components: 1 comforter, 1 Sham. ColorBlue trains and planes. Age range, description, adult. StyleTrains and Planes. BrandDream FACTORY. 100% cotton. Easy decorating. Dream Factory bedding can help you quickly style a fashionably fun kids' bedroom. 2-PC set includes 1 comforter, 68 by 86 inches, and 1 Sham, 20 by 26 inches. Versatile design inspires your child's imagination and creates a fun sleep space, the perfect all-season bedding. Durable, soft, comfortable pure cotton has a cozy touch for sweet dreams and a good night's sleep. Gift idea. Give a gift to family, friends, children and grandchildren for birthdays, holidays or special occasions. Top reviews from the United States. My son loves it. Exactly as described and shown. Love that is as reversible too, with white and blue plaid on the underneath. My son loves his new bed set.